Hello everyone, I'm Ana Cláudia Barbosa. I'm going to present the paper Population Structure of the crab Dilocarcinus pagei STIMPSON 1861 DECAPODA TRICHODACTYLIDE in the Araguari River, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Dilocarcinus pagei is a species of freshwater crab in the family Trichodactylidae and important component of aquatic trophic webs. These crabs are considered small to medium size. Moreover, they are typical of lowlands, living in river floodplains, associated with aquatic vegetation in backwater areas and swamp zones. They also have cryptic nocturnal habits and use burrows. The species has a wide distribution in South American waters, mainly in large basins including the Amazon, Paraguay, and Paraná. However, in Brazil, particularly in Minas Gerais, Upper Paraná Basin, its occurrence is possible associated with accidental or deliberate introduction as bait to sport fishing. Due to the importance of this species in this context, our study aims to investigate the population structure of Dilocarcinus pagei in Araguari River, Triângulo Mineiro region, Minas Gerais, Brazil. Sample was carried out in the Araguari River, downstream of the Amadora Guiar second dam in the Paraná River basin. We will remark that predominant vegetation of the region is cerrado, and in some stretches of the river wetland there is a predominance of macrophytes and grasses and burrows in the slopes. Crabs were collected during 13 months, between September 2020 to November 2021, once per month, using active search up to 1 meter above and 1 meter below the water line in a 300 meters extension. We manually captured the specimens and through sieves past the aquatic vegetation during 1 hour at night. After collection, the animals were individually placed in labelled plastic bags. The specimens were identified according to sex by means of abdomen morphology, and then we measured the carapace width. Also, we counted the ovigerous females, those carrying juveniles in the abdomen, their eggs and juveniles. We collected 393 individuals. The general sex ratio was significantly different from expected 1-to-1 ratio, estimating on 2.28. For more, among the females, 85% had no eggs or juveniles, 12% presented only eggs or juveniles, and 3% had both eggs and juveniles. With the highest proportion, that means about 77% of eggs and all juveniles during the rainy season. There was no significant difference on average of carapace width between males and females, about 40 millimeters, with standard deviation differing a little. The frequency distribution by size class indicates a peak occurring in the 40-45 class for both sexes. The study examines the population and the reproductive information about Dilocarcinus pagei, which may contribute to the understanding of the ecological role of the species in the Araguari River basin. This is our reference. Thanks for your attention.